Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Become a Master of CAD Design. In this video, we are going to create a point for our center of mass, which is also called as center of gravity, and create projected surface and measure a projected area for this sort model. Let's start this video. First, we are going into analysis. Go to our measurement. Inside measurement, we are going to use filter and select a solid body, and then select this solid body. When we select this solid body, we will find this center of mass. Click on this expression. We'll save a expression for our point. Click on that. After clicking that, you can see associativity is on. Don't click on fix at time stamps. When you click this, it will not update when you work on model after this measurement. Press it OK. Create a point for that. Go to point, use by equation for creating a point. By default it will select inferred, but we need to select by equation. When you select by equation, it will show you equation which we created from our measure tool. So select this equation. When you select this equation, it will automatically fill x, y and z value or create a point, and check this associativity on. So when our equation is updated, our point is also updated. So press it OK. Now our center of mass or center of gravity point is created. For example, I'm going to measure a distance. We are going to select a point and select this point and this point. So now our minimum distance is 139. Okay, cancel it. Now we are going to update our model. So make it 350. Finish this sketch, and now we are going to measure this distance again. You can see it will increase. So our center of mass or center of gravity point is updated when we update our model. We are going to change this to 200, and again it will update. Next, how to create projected sheet and measure projected area. For this, we are going to use our mold wizard and use this calculate area tool command. Select this target body, and we need to create a reference plane. For example, we are going to use at a distance. You can also create a surface on this plane, but we are going to use a distance plane. For example, we are going to use 100. Inside setting, we are going to select curve and create a projected sheet. So it will create a projected sheet. Press it OK. When you press it OK, it will create a sheet and create this information window. So you will find this information window. In projection result, you will find this projected area. This is our projected area which we need to calculate our tonnage. If our model have a slide, so we need to add our slide projected area. For this we already have a video how to calculate tonnage, and this is our projected surface. When you want to measure again your projected area, go to analysis, go to measure, and here use the filter face and select this face. So this is our area, which is our projected area. You can also show this as a dimension and press it OK. It will show you your projected area. This is a unparametric model. In some case, we also want this center of mass point at this projected surface. For this, we can use projected curve. For example, go to curve, use projected curve and select this point, and to project, select this surface, and in the direction select this direction and press it OK. So now it will create a point of center of mass or center of gravity in our projected surface. We can use this point dimension for tie-bar load balancing. If you like this video, please press the like button, and if you are new in our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.